So, the bubble goes like this. So first I have to take a little bit of some. I think I have to keep on smishing it. Smush, smoosh. Can you see that teeny weeny bubbles? And voila! Okay, it's time to make a tropical drink. Tropical drink. I don't know what is a tropical. What is it? Tropical drink. I think I have to put it upside down. I don't know how I have to put it. Is it just how I do it in my first video? I don't know. This is gonna be so nice to I think it's gonna get stuck in there. I don't know. Well, let's just check out. So sticky. It did fall. Did the fall. Oh my God. Oh man. How did I